When it comes to staying focused and productive at work, did you know that music can be a simple solution at your fingertips? Tip 1. Listen to instrumental music. Distracting vocals can draw your attention away from the task at hand. Instrumental music allows you to concentrate without adding mental strain. Tip 2. Make a playlist of songs with a consistent beat. The beat can help you stay motivated and on track. Just be careful not to go too fast, as this could cause anxiety. Nota bene, background music or minor distractions may benefit extroverted people. If you're an introvert, any background noise may be distracting. Tip 3. Give yourself a music break. Taking short breaks throughout the day to listen to your favorite songs can help you recharge and stay motivated. Tip 4. Use music to lift your spirits. Playing music that you enjoy and makes you happy can improve your overall productivity and mood. Nota bene, consider two options: A. Choose music that will naturally boost your emotional state, or B. Choose music that represents how you want to feel to enhance your emotional state. Turn on your favorite instrumental playlist with a steady beat the next time you need a productivity boost. Take a music break, and let the music help you get in the zone. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips.